Draw Auntie Rachel. Does she get a nose or?
Owie! In the mouth?
Nice. Now can you... Alrighty, now that's really pretty. I like that. Now can you draw Ryan? Let's do a bigger circle. Bigger circle. Remember bigger?
That's rocket ship.
Big circle. Just, you know what, go ahead and draw Auntie Rachel again.
A cracker. Who's holding it?
And it's like a cookie.
It's like a cookie. Okay,